Hola, flavor adventurers! Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of burgers.
But not just any burgers. We're talking homemade, restaurant-quality smash burger perfection.
You crave that fast food burger taste, right? But with real, high-quality ingredients?
Exactly. And we're gonna show you how to make it better, with every single ingredient explained.
Our main event, high-quality ground beef. We're using 80% lean certified Angus beef for ultimate flavor and juiciness.
We're making double patties, so we need 8 portions for 4 burgers. Divide your grind in half, then half again.
For ultimate consistency, especially for smash burgers, a kitchen scale is your best friend. Aim for 3 ounces per portion.
Loosely form them into balls. Don't overwork the meat. Then, into the fridge while we prep everything else.
Now for the secret weapon, our homemade special sauce. This is what makes it taste like a gourmet fast food dream.
Instead of dicing, we're grating half an onion finely. This creates a smooth puree that blends perfectly.
To that grated onion, we add creamy mayonnaise, tangy yellow mustard, a dash of hot sauce for a kick, and a splash of Worcestershire.
Notice something missing? No ketchup here. It adds too much sugar, and we want savory perfection.
Whisk it all together until it's perfectly combined. This sauce is the heart of our burger.
For that iconic fast food crunch, we need iceberg lettuce. Remove any wilted leaves for maximum crispiness.
Finely shredded iceberg is key. It adds that incredible texture and freshness to every bite.
Sharp knife or serrated blade for tomatoes. Slice them thin, thinner than your patty, so they don't overpower the burger.
Don't forget the buns! Butter them generously on the cut sides for that golden toast.
Toast these over medium heat before the patties. A clean griddle means no burger debris and perfect golden buns.
Buns are done! Now, crank that griddle to high heat. We need it screaming hot for the smash.
Griddle's screaming hot! Place your cold beef balls with plenty of room. They'll spread out when smashed.
Parchment paper is your secret weapon. Place it over the beef, then smash! Prevents sticking to the spatula.
Smash them as thin as possible. That's how you get that incredible crust, the medible crust, the Maillard reaction, and juicy interior.
These patties are so thin, we only need to season one side. A good sprinkle of salt and pepper is all it takes.
Chef's tip: before flipping, a tiny bit of our special sauce on the uncooked side. This caramelizes the onion and adds flavor.
Time to flip! Scrape up all that crust you worked for. That's pure flavor, don't leave it behind.
Now, top half your patties with cheese. The heat will melt it perfectly.
Add a plain patty on top of the cheesy one. The cheese acts as glue, holding our double patty together.
These are looking so good! Remember, 80% lean certified Angus beef is key for this juiciness and flavor.
Time to build our masterpiece! Special sauce on the heel of the bun first prevents sogginess.
Next, that crunchy shredded lettuce and thin tomato slices for that fresh California burger flair.
Patties go on top of the toppings. This keeps the burger together and makes every bite perfect.
Crown of the bun on top. For the ultimate fast food experience, parchment paper.
Oh, my flavor! The crunch, the creamy sauce, the juicy patty, this is it!
If you loved this ultimate smash burger, remember to smash that like button.
And subscribe to FlavLab for more epic pictures. What should we cook next? Let us know in the comments.